Welcome to BüddyGuard, your personal emergency response. Follow this guide to learn about the BüddyGuard panic device. How to activate your BüddyGuard panic device. Press and hold your panic device for approximately 20 seconds. The device's LED lights will flash blue, green, green to show that activation is in process. How to trigger security alert. Hold the device down until it flashes blue, then release. This will take approximately 5 seconds. Your device will flash blue if a security request is triggered. How to trigger a medical alert. Hold the device down until it flashes red, then release. This will take approximately 10 seconds. Your device will flash red if a medical request is triggered. Accidentally press the device and need to cancel? Hold the device down until it flashes green, then release. This will take approximately 15 seconds. Visit our website www.buddyguard.co.za to find out more.